Hey, how's it going? My name is Dr. LeBauer. I'm a physical therapist here in Greensboro, North Carolina at LeBauer PT. I've been doing massage and bodywork and physical therapy for 20 years. I started my career as a massage therapist, and now I'm a manual therapist doing mobilization, massage techniques, some myofascial release, and even we do some dry needling. But over the years, my arms have, in order to keep my arms going and feel like I had to, I could go for 20 years, I'd always have to do some self-massage for my arms. Okay, or go get some other body work. But I finally found a few years ago, it's called the R8 Roll Recovery. They don't pay me, they don't do anything for me, but what I want to tell you is this was the best $120 I ever spent, because it was basically like bringing a massage therapist home with me. So I want to show you a few of my favorite techniques as a way to care for your arms when you're doing lots of manual therapy and hands-on techniques. And so what I'll do is, it's really strong and it's firm, but it's not too much. It was developed for runners and for legs, so that's why it's really firm. But you can take your hand and you just kind of slide it in, and you can just massage back and forth. All right, just like that, and it feels good. You might be like, oh yeah, and you can move your wrist back and forth. You can adapt this to a lot of your techniques you've learned over the years. One of my favorite ones is getting it right on the tender spot. And it's almost like a sustained trigger point or a myofascial release technique. I'll kind of figure out, okay, there's the right spot, and I'll get it, and then it flips around. I'll get it so that, oh, there it is. And then I'll find a comfortable spot and just sit there 3 to 5 minutes. But this has been the thing that's helped me go since 1999, almost 20 years, a career as a massage therapist and body worker. I just want to share some of these techniques with you, because it took me a long time to find this. It finally existed, and it wasn't sold to massage therapists or physical therapists. It was sold to runners to work on their legs. Just like that. You can take it on the other side. There we go. Oh, there it is. And we actually use these for our patients. And we sell them to our patients who have arm and wrist pain or even some leg issues. The one area that I don't really like it is down here on the lower leg. If you're trying to get the peroneals or lateral gastroc, it just puts a lot of pressure on the tibia. So that's the only place that's really kind of difficult, and I'll move it to the side. But otherwise, it's pretty easy to get down here and pretty self-explanatory. If you're watching this and you aren't a massage therapist, PT, you don't really want to do it elbow to shoulder, because there's just a lot of sensitive structures and nerves, and the muscles aren't really as thick up here, so it just doesn't feel really good. If you need help up here, I would just suggest using your hands. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or you have any comments or want to share how this has benefited you, please comment below, and we'll see you soon. If you are a physical therapist or PT and you're looking for help with your business, I help coach passionate physical therapists and massage therapists create successful businesses without relying on insurance. So feel free to see our links below and check out our podcast, The Cash PT Lunch Hour. Thanks so much.